Hello everyone, this is Prince from BCA PPU Batch 1, third year. So today I am made a CRUD application project on PHP on the guidance of Neeraj Singh sir. So this project is basically I made using PHP CRUD operation, and I use Workbench for storing my SQL Workbench for storing storing my data into this. So first I saw my project, then I explain the code. This is the project. This is the name, price, image, delete, update. This is the field I take in my database, and I insert the image in my database through my code. So first I explain this how it. Let's see, I upload pizza. Price is 200. Choose file. Anything, whatever. So here you can see that pizza will be uploaded, and now I show you my database. That see the in database pizza will be uploaded. Now when I delete it, it can delete from here, and also in my database it deleted. Here I use update query to update my name of burger. Anything you have to update here. So it's burger, I biryani, ठीक है. Here you can see that pizza burger will be uploaded with biryani. Now I see you the code, show you the code. So this is the insert index.php where I made use CS bootstrap CSS and class. Here you can see that enc type. This is the method through which image can be inserted in my project. Here config.php, this is the setup of my connection database. This is the delete page through which delete happens. And here this is the insert page through which insert data will be inserted in the database. Update page through which anything will be uploaded in my database. So basically this is the project, and that's all from my side. Thank you.